Okay, well, this is my first ever recording of my computer. Personally, I've recently been coming into a few problems with it, nothing that I haven't really fixed very thoroughly or quickly though. I run Windows 7, I have a 64-bit version of my computer. Let's see here. To clean my computer, I use CCleaner and of course Defraggler to defrag my hard drive and other flash drives and external hard drives that I might possibly use. And PureBlock, which is more or less for people who use torrent-based softwares, etc. Let's see here. We'll start with Defraggler. You can find this program itself here at File Hippo. It is a safe download. I highly recommend it. I'm pretty sure you can get this also on Mac. No, not right now. Basically, you just kind of open it up and it scans for every external hard drive, your hard drive that's in your computer, and flash drives, etc. You can check the health of your computer or device that you're using at that time. It gives you a drive map, which is cool, so it tells you, what the colors mean, which you'll see the colors in a minute. You can search the parameters, and you can see file lists of things that you click on after you analyze. So let's go ahead and do that. Some computers, depends on how much you have on it, takes longer. I use quite a bit of space on my computer personally. Oh, and if you're wondering what that fuzzy sound might be, my computer has a tendency to make a rather loud kind of noise as it's running. If you can even hear that. Red is not very good. That's fragmented files. But it's only like 14 gigs, which is not really a big deal. It's probably just my movies, TV, and etc. music. Let's see here. You can simply click defrag, and it will clean all this up and help you get rid of all the red, but I personally don't want to do that right now. It shows you what each file means. So yellow here, this kind of yellowish ugly color, is page file. These red ones are fragmented files, and the lighter red ones are fragmented low occupancy. I mean, it's pretty easy and basic to use. It's not really hard to figure out. Tells you your health of your computer, your temperature, pretty much everything that you're running on it, the description of everything, all that stuff that you need to know. Defragmenting takes a long time though, however. I mean, depending on how much space you use, it can take up to an entire day. But overall review for this program itself, for its cleaning processes, I recommend it very good, and I would recommend that if you did get this, you would use this once a month. Let's see here. The next thing, CCleaner. CCleaner, it's no. Basically, CCleaner is like your computer's toilet paper, I guess you can say. You see that it takes, and you can wipe out history and different applications, even like my Google Chrome, my applications, internet, multimedia, all that good stuff, all that good jazz. You can get rid of it also, but it also takes a long time, depending upon what you have, how much you have on your computer, etc. Another good highly recommended cleaning program. You can immediately run this over the recycling bin. I can just kind of right click and it just gives me the option to run the CCleaner to clean out my recycling bin after I empty things, so it cache and stuff like that won't come through. Let's see here. I'll actually go ahead and open this up. show you file. Hippo. Pretty sure it's .com. If I'm wrong, my bad. Normally it doesn't take this long for my computer to load a page. I'm guessing it's because of the program I'm using to record my computer currently and my voice. So, do please excuse that, and I apologize. Alright, immediately once you open up the page file hippo on your computer, you will notice the CCleaner is right there at the top. You can search for your different files, stuff you want, such as the pure block and lots of stuff, different things, programs that you can use. They even have different categories down here for different things that, personally, a lot of these things I don't have, but, anyway, I recommend you getting CCleaner if you are wanting to clean an empty history for different applications and, internet devices, things you've used. It's not the quickest thing in the world, as I said before. It could take up to all day depending on how much you have on your computer, but I highly recommend it. And that's video.